y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my newest bag from Strathberry. So I've had my eye on this bag for a bit and I finally decided to get it while I'm here in Chicago. I'm filming this in the hotel room. Just really looking forward to sharing this with you guys and going over it because I think it's the cutest camera bag. So this is the Mosaic camera bag from Strathberry in black, and it currently retails for $555. I purchased this from Nordstrom, and they have it online. I'll have it linked below, of course. For dimensions, it is 8.1 inches in width, it is 5.5 inches in height, and it is 3.3 inches in depth. The zipper goes from half of the bag to the other, and you have your strap, and then no back pocket, but you get this really nice large front pocket that actually fits an iPhone Pro. I have the new, I don't know, 15, I think is the number they're on. I just got it. And so here's what it looks like in here with the Apple case. I don't know if a Max can fit in here. I feel like it might. You'd have to try it, but it'll for sure fit the regular iPhone. The strap is 2 centimeters in width, and which is 0.8 inches. So it's pretty like durable. It's adjustable as well. So it can go up to 49.6 inches. So we have this here. It sits really nice when you're wearing it. I've been using it while I've been in Chicago, so pretty much all week, and I'm filming this on Thursday. I picked it up my first day here, and it's just been a nice bag that I can like take with me, fit everything that I need in, and it fits a lot, which we'll get into in just a moment. Here is the gold exterior. You have the Strathberry bar, and let's open her up. And I have stuff in here right now to show y'all what fits, but this is how I've been using it. So as of right now, I have my Louis Vuitton card case, the Empreinte. I absolutely love this, and it's so compact. But I have that, and then I have my hotel room keys just floating in there, so it's easier to grab. And then I actually have my sunglasses in the case, which is hard to find a bag that can like hold the actual case. So my sunglasses are in here. And then I've been carrying like purse spray and lip gloss randomly, but as of right now, that's what I have in here. Again, it fits so much. Your phone will fit in here easily, and I just like that it's very open. I do wish that it had like a pocket or something. So it just has the Strathberry logo, and it has like a microfiber, I think is what it's called, lining. It's very smooth, very soft. It's really nice. But yeah, this is the interior. It's just a simple interior, which I love. And overall, I love Strathberry leather. I'm personally a huge fan, again, as I mentioned, of the brand. And so yeah, I really like it. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. We'll pack this for tomorrow, and I think that's going to be it for this video. So have my sunglasses in there, my card case, and then let me grab a few additional items. All right, so I have my purse spray and lip balm. As I mentioned, this is just what I've been taking with. I don't need a lot since, again, I'm traveling, so really these are all I need to put in here, but that's how those look. And then yeah, I have that, and other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.